How we doing, YouTube? R6 Monkey is back again. This is starting to be a bit of a regular thing. Hope you don't mind. So I'm actually able to get back out. You'd have seen my last video if you watched it. I was in for my MOT, got an advisory on the front tyre. If you remember the Instagram post, got a front tyre. I've now got it fitted, so I'll just take it easy for a wee bit to scrub it in. So the plan today, a wee bit last year, Tinman. You remember Tinman? Everybody knows Tinman. If no, sure it's up there. I'll put a wee link to his channel, it's just up there. Go check him out. And back in, sure it was the end of August, start of September, I was round about when I sneezed so hard I done my back in. And he posted a bit of a challenge that I was meant to go out and do as well. And it was the perfect motorcyclist breakfast. So he went out, caught the sunrise with his gel alcohol burning stove thingy and all other lots of gubbins and all that, and made himself his breakfast and his coffee. But Tinman, you're wrong. That's not the ultimate motorcyclist breakfast, because no motorcyclist wants to carry all that stuff about with them. So I am going to show you the ultimate motorcyclist breakfast. So I'm going to show you how you get the perfect motorcyclist breakfast. And what makes it perfect is you'll notice that there's no rucksack. I've got a wee tank bag, but I'm not going to really get much of a stove in there. Because the idea behind a perfect motorcyclist breakfast is bite to eat and then get back out motorcycling. Because that's what we do. We're out to ride, we're not out to cook, Tinman. Put the cooker away! And the other bonus being is that the locations of these breakfast places are dotted all over the place. You know, you get a good variety. Some are industrial places, some have got nice scenery where you can sit and enjoy your motorcycling breakfast. So the one we're going to is just in here. It's in a country park, so what more can you ask for? You can sit and enjoy your motorcyclist breakfast. Look at the scenery and move on for there. Not overly busy, which is a good thing, because then that way everybody isn't looking at you talking to yourself. And look at that, even a nice wee seating area that I can park the bike next to and enjoy my motorcyclist breakfast. Right people, I'm going to leave you here and I'm going to go and get my breakfast. You'll notice if I open this wee bag, not a stove in sight. All I need is just a wee carry case thing for this plasticky paper stuff that they call money. Yeah. So there you go guys, the perfect motorcycling breakfast. Rolling sausage, or a sausage bar, as you southerners call it. Proper sausage, square. So there we go YouTube, not a single dirty dish, not a thing to pack away, rubbish in the bin, and we're back on the motorbike. So to me, in my mind, that is the perfect motorcyclist breakfast. Hope you enjoyed, this was all just a bit of fun. Mind go and check out Tinman, the Welsh warrior that he is. And I shall catch you next time. But remember, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, there's a thumbs down button there that you can use, you know. YouTube thinking everything. Utilise it to its finest. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. But most importantly, ride safe, keep your shiny side up. Till next time, bye.